Went overseas as a staff sergeant, and I was an assistant crew chief. I related well to Master Sergeant Virgil Fuller from Texas. I remember he told me, "Zach, as my assistant crew chief, I want you to run the ship. Hydraulics, the fuselage, airframes, the engines, and so forth. And someday, if you should become crew chief, you'll have that confidence already established." And as it turned out, he became ill and was sent back to the States and had to assume the responsibility. The Bonnie B, yeah, that was my fortress. This is the way the Bonnie B got its name. His baby girl was born, Bonnie Beck, B-E-C-H. And he asked me if he could name the ship after her, and I said, sure. A lot of the fellas like this nose art, as they call it, with the curvaceous American girls. But this was just Bonnie-B, B for Beck. It was strictly business. They came out, they got loaded up, it was pre-flighted. When it was time to take off, we would guide them out because we had to be careful that they would get off the concrete pad in case it was muddy or something like that. It would be very difficult to extricate a fortress when one of the wheels is stuck in the mud. But each ground crew had their own tent on the flight line. We had a couple of bunks in there, a little stove for heat. Then there was a concern, how many ships did we lose? Was my ship okay? Was anybody injured on board the aircraft? They would shoot a flare to signify that we got somebody injured. My ship flew 93 successful missions. In fact, we lost her after we were already penetrating into Germany. I understand scavengers stripped it for parts and for souvenirs.